Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, August 11th. It's 2:47 p.m. in the marketplace today. I'm going to bring over the time and sales to confirm it's 2:47 p.m. The E-mini S&P trading at 2075. I didn't make as many videos last week. I had some PC issues, and as a result, I got a new PC, the latest greatest, and that PC also came with Windows 10. So I'm using Windows 10 now, and it's interesting. Obviously, NinjaTrader working very well with Windows 10. So before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, it's quite a good day for the auto trader today. First chart I want to bring up is the Russell on the Super Renko 10 tick. We had a small loser right at the start here, and then two really nice winners, and then a very tiny loser at the end, and then it didn't trade again because of time. On the Russell, I don't allow it to trade past 1:30 or 2 o'clock. Anyway, the P&L was $1,710 or 171 ticks on two contracts. That's 85 ticks per contract. Okay, next up we have the Super Renko on the 5 tick. And okay, next up is the Super Renko on the 5 tick. And there was quite a few trades here, but nevertheless, it hit its goal of $1,500 for the day, or 150 ticks. That's 75 ticks per contract. This one is using our Step MA filter. Okay, next up is the 30-year Treasury bond on the Super Renko 6 tick, and there was two trades. One really small loser at the end. This was taken out at a very small loss because of time. So remember, Renko bars have no time stamp. So in any case, this trade didn't get very far, and it ended up with 1187 for the day on two contracts in the 30-year bond. Okay, it looks like the E-mini S&P 15-minute is still short, and you can see the entry here, and then our trailing stop, and then our target for the next contract here. So it's locked in its first target. So it's currently up about $1,800, and it remains to be seen how this will turn out. But nevertheless, this is where its stop loss is. Okay, this is another 5-tick Super Renko chart of the Russell. And on this one, I have a modest goal of $1,000, as you can see here, and a loss limit of 750, and that was hit very quickly from the open of trading. It starts trading about a half hour before the market open, and it looks like it hit its goal within 45 minutes here. This chart has a lot less trades than the other Super Renko chart of the 5-tick on the Russell, so it's probably a good idea to have a more conservative target on this time frame or use a higher time frame. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ on the Super Renko 10 tick. And quite a few trades here. This is actually on a stop order. This is not a limit. So we have more trades, but the current position is up about $1,000 on two contracts. Okay, and finally we have the 10-year Treasury note on the Super Renko 4 tick, and this is trading two contracts. It's a fairly conservative setting. I believe I have only a $600 profit goal on this, 650, and it looks like that was probably hit and then maybe taken out with a few ticks slippage, because it will exit the trade if the profit goal is touched. It'll exit the trade on a market order. That is your profit goal considered hit. So this has performed pretty well in real time over the weeks since I've been since I added this to the mix just a week or two ago. Okay, we had a few small winners on the crude. Forgot to mention this, but the crude on the Suparenko 10 tick was obviously prematurely stopped out on this trade here. It could have went a lot further, but the stops were too tight for this particular price action. So there was a loser from the start, and then it recovered with this winning trade here to close up about 32 ticks on two contracts, or 320 for the day. Okay, that's it for this video on the Precision Auto Trader. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching.